Hello guys, welcome back to Shikot. So let's start with the second lab. Build an AI image generator app using Imagen on Vertex AI. So here we are going to write a program where we will be generating an image through a prompt. So let's start. Click on the Start Lab button. As soon as you click on the Start Lab button, on your left side, this kind of panel will appear where you have to write the code. Now here in this panel, click on File and click on New File. An untitled file is generated. Now coming to the right side where there is a manual, under the heading Working with Generative AI, just copy this code under second line and paste it over here in the code section. Now above here in this code section, click on the file, click on save. As you click on save, this kind of dialog box will appear. Now here in the manual side, in line number 3, a file name is given to you. Copy this file name from here, and in the code section here, beside this name field, paste the name you just copied. The file name should look like this. Click on save. Now coming to the manual, under the line 4, you have this code. Actually this is the path. So copy this path, and here below in this terminal section, paste the path you just copied and click enter. Now here in this code section, in this left side where you have these options, here you have Explorer, the very first option. Click on this Explorer. Under the heading Student, you have two files, keys.json and image.json. As you click on image.json, an image will appear. This is the output you will get when you run the program. Okay, after running this path, you will get this image in your Explorer section. Make sure there is the image. Now this is the output. So what exactly we did over here, we called this generate image method where we wrote this prompt. Okay, this program contained this prompt of create an image of cricket playground in heart of Los Angeles, and this is what we got the output. This image is of a cricket stadium in heart of Los Angeles. Okay, so this was our lab. Now coming down, you can check your progress. As soon as you get the green tick, here you can end the lab. Thank you. Bye bye.